Hello class and welcome to week 7. Decisions regarding the harvesting of a wildlife species must consider whether the population is increasing or stable, or if the environment fluctuates from year to year. Hunting for sport usually involves taking a portion of the population during a particular season, and may entail the harvesting of only one sex and age group. Sport hunting is valued for the quality of the experience as much as it is valued for the meat or trophies obtained. Commercial hunting is for the harvesting of meat and skins. Both types of wildlife harvesting may be controversial. We will not address the ethical issues of hunting in this course. However, both sport and commercial harvesting of wildlife should be done in regard to one ethical aspect. The operation, be it for recreation or profit, must result in a sustainable offtake, a yield that can be taken year after year without jeopardizing future yields. In terms of wildlife management, the word control has 3 different meanings. 1. We talk about controlling an outbreak of a pest species, such as mice or rats, where their numbers are reduced to restore an errant system to a previously stable state. This is essentially a sustained yield operation. 2. Moving a system away from a stable state to a more desirable state is another form of control. And 3. An experimental control is the absence of a treatment. Success of the control operation is determined by whether or not we have reached the desired outcome. There are various methods to reduce wildlife populations, such as habitat modification, lethal and non-lethal control, and biocontrol. Management of wildlife populations must take into account the fact that the population to be managed is part of a larger matrix of predators, prey, and other species competing for the same resources. These overlapping relationships form the community and their environment. Such events as fire, floods, earthquakes, and other catastrophic natural phenomena, as well as more regularly occurring events, for example El Niño, must be taken into account when managing for the long term. Long-term trends due to environmental change, plant succession, and animal population fluctuations, and managing at an appropriate spatial scale must all be considered as part of ecosystem management. Managing target species such as pests can have unexpected consequences. Ecosystems can occur in multiple states. Some are natural and some are artifacts of human disturbance. Ecosystems are dynamic and should be managed not to maintain a status quo, but to allow natural changes to take place. It is for this reason that long-term baseline data are fundamental to conservation management.